Last week, only thing we looked at was thread updates. Yep, and discussions with Sotiris about potential issues in the continue keyword, which are valid. Security is 1 to 2. No security release today or this week. That's good. Today, 1/25/2022. Demos. Surprise me. Who has some demos? I don't. No demos today. Topics. Time for 1.3. We can check. And maybe not. We shipped one that not long ago. Where's the milestone? Issues. Milestones. Do you have a milestone for that March 1st? So a month away. And one open for 1.3. Interesting. Status on true. One. Lots of PR merged. We'll see that. So since the there was some there. What did I miss? Filter on. Oh no, the 20th was last week. I missed some of them then. Weird. Added 2 constructors to create user params. So now you can have password question, password answer is approved because of the previous changes that have these options now. So there is a constructor to create these and upgrade and hibernate, which is 5, I think. And you see here the biggest change is that we used to embed assembly in GitHub, which needs to be built explicitly with the version we use of Hibernate, because Hibernate.link is not updating anymore for 10 years. Okay, so we were actually pulling the source code, updating an Hibernate, rebuilding an Hibernate.link, and shipping it as is. So what Matteo has done is take the source code of an Hibernate.link and embed it directly, such that when we build an Hibernate, it will build the correct link extensions for it. And we don't need it anymore. So that, and the updated and Hibernate, you see from 4 to 5, 5.3. Everything was working the same, and it's faster, so it's all good. So these are the changes on Orchard 1, Orchard Core. What do we have? This is a security fix 1.2 branch type 1 to 2 that was merged on the branch. Fix route change password confirmation, because this was not. So this is the documentation. I miss it. Interesting, because I commented about the documentation, but apparently it's documented, so I must have missed it. This is the route. So the idea is that now there is a custom route for the change password confirmation URL instead of using the generic one. It's nice. So, and there is an option if you want to change it. The default being change password confirmation. New contributor, which is that commit, Cypress update, Orchard core in the README, and the functional test. Good. Update code mirror, update mkdocs, and fix null ref. Media text can be null. Okay. Is this the same code? Yeah, no, there is this one. Set index null to say there is no value. So the fact that there is no value is an information here. That's what we do for some fields. That's good. And that's it. Nothing more. Let's look at the PRs. The request. Updates. Term localization from Erasma. Final issues. From a couple of minor issues. Interesting. Wow, yeah, that's bad. Okay, I understand why we never found the issue, because most people don't use error returns in their connection string or their name, which is weird. Why? That's weird. Why would you have some? And should we sanitize in that case? It's kind of weird. Yeah. Good find. Elasticsearch PR update, jQuery 13. Easy markdown meter update, convert users, services, yeah, just refactoring. And these ones we have reviewed already at some point. Okay, just a quick look. Razorlight discussion right now about why not to make available Razor as dynamic templating engine. To write templates using Razor from the admin panel. The issue is that Razor is not safe. You can write any C# in it, and then you can write anything that can break the server, even for the other users if you're on multi-tenant scenario. That's why we use Liquid in the admin. If you want to use Razor, you can do it statically and it will be built. And if you can build something, then you have access to the machine. So this is how it's safe. So no Razorlight. Issue with registrations. Object request icon for each NuGet package. Did I miss that? Probably. Yeah, it's a simpler. I did update though, so we didn't talk about it. But what happened with the release of 1.2 is that if I take a package, I created this organization, Orchard on NuGet, which means this is the organization that can publish and owns the packages, which has a result prefix. I used to be the only owner, so I created that, and people are part of that organization. So I can die and everyone is safe in terms of orchard. You can still ship orchard. So that's is done. That's good thing. And I should remove myself now and add myself there in the organization. That would be nicer. And you see, I used the icon for the organization, but I didn't use it for the packages. So we can update that. And I believe we have a single file at that up. Yep. So this will be merged and shipped for 1.2. Instruments, topics. March, we have time. We talked about new orchard or on you get. What else? Nothing .NET related, .NET Foundation, nothing. No security issue. No major new feature. All good. And that will be a short meeting, if that's okay with everyone. Thanks, everyone. See you next Thursday or next Tuesday.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.